Good morning, children. In our last class, what we have completed? Question and answers. So, which were there? What is a stem? Name some stem which grow below the ground, isn't it? Then, what are the functions of stem? So, have you beheaded that question and answers? Very good, children. Now, today, in our today's class, see from page number 169. We will complete the STEM part today. So, it is all about the activities. ACT. The same part, that is flora and fauna, plant life. We are still on the STEM part. We have completed the question answers. Last two activities are remaining from page 169. See, already I have written one activity here. First we will read. Now, see children, whenever I am giving you activity to draw it and nicely do the color, many of you are not drawing properly and you are not doing color, means you are not interested. See, once you took little interest, practically also you do, how happy you feel it. So today we are seeing what is the activity number 1. Today I will not do practically. After this video, I will send one video clip to you. Just see it, you only do and send a short video that is of 1 minute or 2 minute video to me as if you are doing. And this you have to keep the textbook page number 169. You can write this if you are unable to see the board and write it. So do that and you have to draw it. Once again I am telling, see, until and unless you will draw with the pencil, you will not show little bit color, it won't look attractive. So, if you want your diagram to be attractive, you have to see the video very carefully and you have to do it. How we are using the colors. By using the colors, you will come to know what color of onion is, ginger is, potato is. See here, this is white. White color is a wool. How we did in one more activity, that balloon and one more that bean sheets, what we did. Same way, you have to take the bunch of a wool. You have to make it damp wet. That the wool should be wet. And same way how you put the bean sheet. Here you have to keep the potatoes. I have taken 2 potatoes. See the drawing also, you can see it clearly. After this few days, what you will see, this green color shoot will come out. That is the stem. And afterwards it will spread into a leaf. When you will see this video and that one more video clip which I will send after the class, see it very carefully that how taking a damp wool in a plate, keeping the potatoes and by covering with a steel strainer, how the shoots come out. Or if you keep potato for a long period, that is more than 4 to 5 days, 6 days, 8 days, automatically the shoots will come out. Let the shoots grow. But if you will keep in a wet damp wool, very soon you will see this shoots coming out from a eye of the potato. See here, what is the activity 1? Take a potato with the eyes. See with the eyes. These are their eyes. Potatoes, they are having eye. One brown color light mark is there. That is the eyes. Put it on the bed of a cotton wool. This is a cotton wool. Cover it with a steel strainer. Afterwards, that damp wool you cover it with the steel strainer, keeping the potatoes on wool. Make sure that the cotton wool is damp, and you have to be sure that what the cotton wool you are taking, it is damp, wet. You should put water and it should be wet. At all times, all the time, by side you have to throw the water or pour the water. After a few days, what you will notice? You will notice that tiny shoots coming out from the eyes of the potato. So these are the tiny shoots which is coming out from the potato. Now children, just write it down this. I will rub the board and we will do one more activity. see children, this is activity B. So what is the activity? Take a bunch of tuberose flowers. See children, among you, if you are having tuberose, take the bunch of a tuberose flowers. Put them in a glass of water. See here, this is white in color. Tuberose, that is white in color. Put them in a glass to which some red ink, here some red ink is flowing from the bottle. Put the water, that is the color of the water is white. You can see white now. So take a glass, keep the bunch of tuberose in the glass. Here add some water. Then to which some red ink has been added. Here the red ink has been added to the glass full of water. Observe. What you will observe? The flowers after a few hours. As soon as you put the red ink into the water, after few hours what you will see? See the second picture. What is the second diagram shows? That are the flowers still white? In the first picture the flowers are still white. But see in the second picture, are the flowers still white? No. So which color they are? We put red ink. So the flowers are also red in color. The white tuberose turns into white. What is the color of the flower? Now tell me the color of the flower. It is red, isn't it? Third question. How has the color changed? Now from the white tuberose, how the color changed into red? See, the tuberose has fine tube. This is the tube. The ink which you throw here, the ink what we have put in the bottle, it is absorbed by the stem and it reaches up. So here it is absorbed by this. Here the water becomes red. Soon after few hours it reaches to this white color, and automatically the color of the white tuberose change into red. Why has it changed? Why it has changed? Because first we took the water that is white in color. As soon as we put red ink, it gets dissolved in the water, and that red color water slowly it absorbed by the stem, that is a tube, and it reached to these flowers. So the color of the white tuberose changed to red. Now understand children, activity B. In the first activity we took the potato, we took the wool, we make it damp wet and we cover it with a steel strainer. Then few days what you will see? The green color shoots will come out. That was our activity A. And what is activity B? Here I took the bunch of tuberose. Even if you have the tuberose, you can take one glass, put water in it. Afterwards, you add some red ink to the water. Slowly the water becomes red in color. Then observe that after few hours, after 2 hours, 3 hours, what you will see? The water is in red in color. Slowly the tuberose is having a tube here. It will absorb by the tuberose and the white color flowers change into red. So this is the activity. So children, what is your homework? Note down your homework. Homework. Draw the activity. Draw both the activity. Draw activities A and B. A and B from textbook. From textbook. And see children, here you have to show the color also. Here in the first class it is the tuberose is white in color. In the second class, how the color change, how the tuberose color change white into red. So see the here, are the flowers still white? No, they have changed the color. What is the color of the flowers now? We put red ink, so it becomes red in color. So how the color change? The water change. The red ink, it comes into red, and this was absorbed by the tuberose. Why has it changed? When the tube rose absorbed, it becomes white into red. So children, do your work very well. Refer your test book. See it from the test book or from the video and just draw the activity very neatly and send to me within time. And children, now after this, I will send one video to you. See the activity there. Practically you have to do and you have to send it to me. Okay children, have a nice time. Bye.